I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clearing one work area and setting zones for prep, cook, and wash so every motion has purpose. Remove non-essential items now, and place your top 3-5 tools where you reach first. This saves minutes per meal. Once done, prioritize counter space for active tasks and designate a 1/3 cleared surface for plating. Make sure to keep heavy or rarely used appliances in storage to maintain flow, because a focused zone beats random clutter every time. You now organize storage to support the zones you created. Start by using vertical space, shelves, and hooks-free counters. Group like items together so you reach, grab, and return without searching. Use clear bins or jars for grains and a dedicated spice rack for quick sight lines. Once grouped, label shelves and commit to first-in, first-out rotation so nothing expires. Make sure to store heavy items low, fragile items high, and maintain a logical rhythm between prepping. You finish by embedding routines that preserve the space. Adopt a 10-minute reset after each meal and a weekly inventory check so you avoid duplicate purchases. Keep 3 go-to-cleaning tools handy: microfiber cloth, spray, and a small broom to solve spills fast. If things go wrong and clutter creeps back in, perform a focused audit on one zone and remove about 20% of items. This simple subtraction restores function quickly. Make sure to refine routines until they fit your actual cooking pace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.